Dear students, this is the video regarding how to register yourself to participate in the Indian International Science Festival 2020, which is going to be held from 22nd December 2020 to the 25th December 2020. It is free. There is no fees required to participate in this festival. So all are requested to participate in this event. Different themes are there available for this event, this festival. You are supposed to participate in the only one event, and this is also based upon the first come first serve basis. So there is already many seats are filled to participate in this one. So without wasting the time, to you register yourself by today itself. So what you have to do, that one steps I am going to explain in simpler manner. You have to go to the Google. So you click on the Google, then here you type the Science India Fest. Here IISF 2020 you can see, you can click on that one ISO. So there should be site name is scienceindiafest.org. So that should be there. Science in, you can see in the web here, scienceindiafest.org. So this should be there. Okay. So then here you have to click on this register option. You have to click on this register option. This option. So different, you can see. So these are the steps to register yourself. What are those? One, region, regarding your region details you have to mention there, and personal information. So which class you are studying, so what is your the profession, are you student or teacher or scientist, whatever it is, that information need to be mentioned. So OTP will send to you your mail ID. So you have to give the mail ID which is valid one. So if any mistakes are there, that cannot be, you will not get the OTP. And not only that one, that will be your user ID also. So you have to be very careful while you enter the email ID. So to that email ID only, each and everything communications will be there. So links to participate this event. So everything will communicate to that only. So you have to enter correct email ID and terms and conditions. You have to accept terms and conditions to participate in this event. So first, region, select a country. So first one option only India is there, so you no need to go down to search that one. You select the India, province, state, district. So the district, which is district you belong to, that state, which state you belongs to, that state you select. Karnataka. City and name, so which city? Vijayapura, you select it, Vijayapura. So all the details you enter, then click on the next step. Okay, this is the next step, is the personal details. So how to fill this one? Master, if you are a student, you select the master, then you fill your details. So let me select mine. I will type my complete name here. So once you register here, you have you mandatorily you have to participate, because these are the limited seats are there. So first come first serve basis it's going to be. So you have to be careful. Make sure that you are attending on those days between 22 December 2020 to 25th December 2020. Then you register, and it is the opportunity every time they select the people, students to attend. But this year, since it is the virtual mode, they are giving opportunity to everyone to participate. So if you are a, for example, 9th student, you are 8th student, you select the below matric. If you are 10th and 12th, according to that you select. So I am a postgraduate, so I will select it as a postgraduate. If you are a 8th or 9th student, what you have to do? Below matric you have to select. So then institute name. So what I will type the institute name, like Kendriya Vidyalaya Vijayapura, that I am going to type. So enter email ID. So this one is the very important thing. So without mistakes you type. Okay. So I am typing my email ID. So that is green is coming here, you can see. That means that this is available for the user ID. So this is my mail ID, which is the correct one. So what I will do now, I will enter the password to, so this user ID and password, and OTP also will be sent to that respective mail ID. So password you can give the alphabets or numbers, characters mixed of that one to become strong, but whatever you are entering, you make it down. Otherwise, if you have written something, if you have forgotten that one, so you cannot you cannot attend to that particular festival. So what you have to do, like suggest strong password, this type of password, 3 at the rate, like that, as Chrome is suggesting, like that also you can do. Otherwise what you can do, whatever your wish you can type it is. Okay, so I am typing some numbers here. So I have entered the password, then same I have to confirm that password. So I will change this password as it is now visible to all. I will change. So password matched is coming. So make sure that whatever you have entered the password here, the same only you are entering here also. Okay, this one I am talking about, this password. This password should be match. Then only your registration can be done. So what I will do now, password is match. Primary mobile number, but that should have a WhatsApp or Telegram. That is preferable. If you don't have, that's also fine, you can type. So I will enter my phone number 0684. Detail address, so address, so your home address you can write, or school address you can write. So detail address you write here, along with the pin code number you write. Vijayapura. Okay. Vijayapura 586. Sorry, 58. So 586102. Okay, pin code number here it is there, anyhow it's not required there. If you have written, that's fine. You have to type your pin code number here 586102. Then the next step, go click on the next step, enter confirmation OTP sent. So email OTP has been sent to the email address, that's what they are saying. So what I have to do now, I have to go to the my Gmail and I have to check. So time is left, so within that time only I have to do that one. So okay, so this is the IIS 2020, which is Indian International Science Festival 2020. So this is the password, which one, 1025, session ID 2. So this I have to select. So 11:27, so I didn't get this one within the time, so I have again requested. So by 11:32 it came 1056. So 1056 I have to enter, second one 1056. So time is going to be up, so 1056, yes, that is only. Now what I will do, I will click on the next step. Okay, terms and conditions. So these terms and conditions you go through and you have to just check the terms and conditions. So you have to agree those terms and conditions, confidential and all those details will be there. You go through that one. You have to select this, then you have to click on the register. So once you register, the application has been successfully submitted. Your credentials are sent on, so to that respective one, that means that user ID, so everything has been sent to you. Now what you have to do, you have to click on the go to login page. So now we will redirect to the login page there. Okay, let's, so enter mail ID. So I will enter the mail ID which I have given, and the password which I have created, that password I will enter 1838684. So I have entered the password, then click on the login. So here you can see important thing, that you can only participate in one event only. Okay, you are not supposed to participate more than one event, and this is first come and first serve basis. So though the last date is 15th December 2020, so within 2 days all of you complete your registration process. By that you can participate in this festival. It is the opportunity this time, as it is the virtual mode, to explore the science, to get acquainted with the science. Next, cultural programs, Guinness books. So all these events you can do that one. Now what I will do, cultural program, it is unavailable, already it is registered, so many is unavailable. So agricultural scientists meet, Agritech, so these are the available, it is their biodiversity conclave, clean air. Okay, so for all these rest events you can select. So for example, games and toys, register. So it seems, so it's very quickly it's getting, registrations are completing. So you have to complete this today or by tomorrow only, then only you will get the opportunity. Now what you have to do here, for this games and toys event, you have to select what you would like to as a participant or a demonstrator. If you are a, for example, if you are prepared one tie, if you want to demonstrate that one, you can select a demonstrator, or just if you want to watch the others toys and to get the some idea, you can select it as a simple participant. For participant, higher qualification. So I have selected for participant, so higher qualification I will select it as a postgraduate. I select. So these are the details related to you. Okay, so you, whatever the class you are studying, the details you can write. So designation, I am going to write my designation, which is PGT chemistry. Name of the company, institution, organization, so that you have to write Kendriya Vidyalaya Vijayapura. Vijayapura. Contact number, so phone number you have to give your 38684. So landline number, if you are having that landline number you write, otherwise you can leave, as it is not a mandatory. How did you hear about the ISF 2020? Website, friends, colleague, online search, agritech, coordinator, social media, other source. So you can select as a other source, then click on this submit. So like this, any event, whatever the available events, you can do that one. You can only participate. Okay, so this is how now I have registered to the toys, so that also will not be available for me now. But science education, so I cannot do this one now. So let me take to the, okay, so my registration is completed now. So what I will do now, here you can say register. This is the, so only to this event only I can now register. So what if I click the other event, it's all those are the unavailable. Now that event related, you will get the mail link, whatever the registered your the theme whatever you have selected. So the theme related links will be given to you to your mail, so you can select that link and you can participate in the festival. Hope it is clear. If you are facing still any problems to register yourself, technical issues and all, you can contact your class teacher. So please utilize this opportunity and you can get clear cut idea about the how science is really important in our life. Thank you.